Panasonic is issuing a voluntary recall for the Panasonic Electric Toaster Oven, model NB-G200. If you own this product, please stop using it immediately. The recall is due to a potential issue with the power cord. The insulation may be insufficient because a protective fiberglass sleeve may not fully cover the cord, creating a potential risk of electric shock or fire. The recalled toaster oven is made of stainless steel, features 6 preset cooking menus, a digital timer, and temperature settings ranging from 250 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The model number, NB-G200, can be found on the label located on the back of the unit. Panasonic is offering a full refund to all affected customers. To begin the refund process or learn more, visit shop.panasonic.com/toaster-oven-recall. Call 1-888-943-2391 Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time, or email Panasonic 6895@sedgwick.com. If you own a Panasonic Electric Toaster Oven model NB-G200, please discontinue use immediately and contact Panasonic to receive your full refund.